Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this adapter. It's just an unboxing, and yes, this is the type of adapter you would need for your Apple Watch, for example. iPhone, iPad works as well. And right before I open it up, I want to show you around the box because I know a lot of you are watching this just because you want to see if maybe the one that you ordered from Amazon or anywhere online is a legit one. But that's all the details you guys get around the box. So inside the box, you do get this paperwork. There's not much about it. It's just paperwork. This warranty as well. And here's the actual adapter. So you guys, again, you guys need this. If you just got a brand new iPhone or iPad or Apple Watch, you're gonna need one of these. And this has USB-C. I'm gonna try to zoom in as much as I can on the markings so you guys can see whether the one that maybe you ordered is legit or not. Because this one I bought straight from the Apple store. So that came from apple.com. I bought it from there, so there's no way this is not a legit one because it came right from them. On the back, there are no markings. On the sides, there's nothing else. It's just right here. So again, this is the type of brick that you would need. And the good thing that it works for pretty much everything. Anyways, as far as this unboxing goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.